Now we can review the costings. Here, you'll see a detailed cost breakdown on the right-hand side of the screen. The rates listed under the net cost column are pulled directly from your contracted rates. This includes accommodation, experiences, transport, and other services from all your connected providers. The total column is either your marked-up agent rate or the provider's rack rate, depending on whether it is a quote for an agent or a direct client. You also have the option to add hidden package costs. This is useful for any miscellaneous charges that aren't tied to a specific provider but still need to be included in the quote, like bottled water, service fees, or local extras. Let's go ahead and add a small cost for water. We'll add it starting from day 1, covering 7 days. The cost is $1 per person net and $2 per person rack. Then click Add. You'll now see that this hidden cost appears in the breakdown on the right. Once everything is in place and the pricing is fully loaded, you can click the Complete button. This finalizes the package and takes you back to the package booking flow, ready for review and sending a quote to the client.